Hey guys, gonna do a quick video. Well, probably not quick, but it's probably gonna be like a 5-10 minute of the kit that came in. That I did a sneak peek from CFR Performance. As you can see, they sent me a t-shirt too. Pretty cool t-shirt. It's shrink though, but it's all good. So I'm gonna lay everything out here and open them up. I'm gonna go get a box cutter because I have not opened up the little boxes. The only thing I did was open up the main box and see how they packaged everything. Alright, so got a nice little card with their all-wheel drive charger that's supercharged. Little performance. We got a pack and slip, which I will post what's in the kit too on the descriptions. So first thing, their custom bracket is what it sounds like. Yep. So this is what goes on the front of the timing cover. Looks good. Almost exactly like ours. All the adapters and spacers you're going to need. These should be the gaskets. Yep, 2 sets, top and bottom. So this is primary to the bottom of the plate to the heads. And this is usually on top, so it gives you that little hole that the supercharger has. Let's see. So all your nuts and bolts. The block-off plates, which are nice. Then you can actually cut in whatever name you want to put on there if you want to, or you can be able to paint them. They come with a gasket too. Nice little O-ring. So, got 3 of those, your bolts. So these are the bolts that you're going to mount your brackets to. They go into your heads. Now remember, these don't take a lot of inch pounds. So that's something I'll look into too and find out what they recommend too. I think I was using like 15 to 20 inch pounds, or maybe about 10 foot-pounds. Oop, well, that fell out. So our pulleys, there should be 2 of those in the kit, which they are. And last but not least, our brackets. So there the babies are. So basically this would be the right side if you look at it, where it sits like this. Then you bolt the holes down here to your heads. This is a notch for the supercharger. Some superchargers have a little hole point. You can see in front and back. It's a little pin. And then these are the bolts that actually go from the top of the supercharger, go straight down and actually hold the supercharger onto the engine. That's a key point. That's how. But yeah, they look really good. I'm impressed with them. So next, we just need to work on doing a full kit. I call this a half kit just because you still need the intercooler. Of course, you guys need to find a supercharger, but that's something I'm gonna work with them on as far as building a kit if they are willing to do that. So like I said, here's the actual sheet of what's everything's on there. If you guys got questions, comments, concerns, hit me up. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching.